Arkivi and welcome back to my channel. And you guys, we completed 1 year to this channel. Can you believe this? Like I feel like हमने कल तो स्टार्ट किया था यार, कल तो मैंने अपना पहला वीडियो पोस्ट किया था and it's been freaking 1 year. Oh my god, like this is such unbelievable thing and so surreal. Oh my god, thank you so much for all your love and support. I am like, when I'm saying this, I really mean it, and this is coming from bottom of my heart. So thank you so much for everything. And I'm not gonna bore you in the start of the video, so let's get into it. So हुआ ये था कि मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी इस दिन के लिए, काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी. मैंने मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स को 1 month प्रायर बता के रखा था कि यू नो वॉट, यू ऑल हैव टू सरप्राइज मी ऑन दिस डे. लाइक कैन यू इमेजिन, मैंने उनको बोल के रखा था कि यू ऑल हैव टू सरप्राइज मी ऑन दिस डे. Like, oh my god, I wanted to celebrate this thing with my friends and family together. So because this is not just a year for me, because this took a lot. Like oh my god, like how should I explain? It's completely another story, so let's not get into that. But so the thing is that I was super duper excited for this day. So हुआ ये कि 2-3 दिन पहले we all friends were on call, like a group call, and we were planning to meet for a reason somewhere. So what I thought, like I just shared my idea with them. Not shared actually, I just ordered them that you know what, वो सब कुछ होने के बाद you all have to come to my house and then surprise me for this day, like for the 1 year thing. They were like नहीं, हम लोग नहीं आने वाले, ऐसा वैसा वगैरह बोला. एंड देन काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्रामा के बाद ये डिसाइड हुआ कि दे ऑल आर गोना कम एट माई प्लेस. ओके, बट सिचुएशन कुछ इस तरह से पलटा कि जो हमारा प्लान था, मतलब जिस रीज़न की वजह से हम सब लोग मिलने वाले थे, वो कैंसिल हो गया. मतलब जो प्लान था वो प्लान ही कैंसिल हो गया. सो ऑब्वियसली अगर वो वहाँ नहीं आ रहे तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं आ पा रहे, बिकॉज कोरोना सिचुएशन की वजह से कोई अपने पेरेंट्स बच्चों को बाहर नहीं भेज रहा है. My mood was freaking shut. I was upset like anything because I wanted them all to be with me on this day, but the whole plan got cancelled. This day is also gonna pass like a regular day. Nothing is gonna happen, so just chill out. इतनी ज़्यादा upset हो गई थी कि मैंने Instagram पे भी ये न्यूज़ शेयर नहीं की थी आप लोगों के साथ. Like I not even posted one single story for this like 1 year thing. My didi posted one story about like congratulating me for like 1 year, so I reposted that thing, and then after that I posted something on my story. I was editing that pic which I wanted to post on my feed. Meanwhile my mom comes to me and says me, you know what, get ready. Like she was like, get up and get ready. I was like, why? She was like, नहीं, घर पे ही कुछ तो हम लोग सब फैमिली मिलके कुछ ना कुछ सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Let's just cheer up and give it a shot. Like it has been like 1 year to your YouTube channel and all of that stuff. So I was like, okay, let's celebrate. And she was making cutlet for me. She was like, change your clothes. And I was like, why should I change my clothes? Like I don't want to post anywhere. Hardly we are just 4 people with whom we are gonna celebrate. So why should I get ready and all of this stuff? Like I was like, let's wear something comfortable like PJs and all, and we'll be sorted now. So she was like, no, just wear something like nice dress and all that stuff. I felt something like कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is cooking. I was about to get ready and she was like, no, don't get ready over here, go to studio and then get ready. I was like, why I have to go to studio to get ready, man? Like we're celebrating within just 4 people, and why should I go to studio and get ready and all of that stuff? And she was like, no, just go now. When I just step out to go to studio, my father comes with these 2 bags with him. And I was like, what the hell is happening? Like something is happening in this house. उसके बाद when I got back, my friends were waiting for me. Look who is here! Hi! You guys, and they surprised me, and then they got like this special cute YouTube wala cake, like the customized cake for me. Cake! It says, रुको YouTube है? which was so sweet. Like you know, I personally, whenever I used to watch some videos and all that stuff, I was like, I always had this thing in my head, like, you know what, I want such cake, like, you know, that custom made cake for, especially for YouTube actually. And I got that. मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि वो उन्होंने कुछ तो ऐसे नॉर्मल केक वगैरह लाया होगा, but they got that custom made fondant वाला cake. I was like, oh my god, this is so sweet. And उसके बाद फिर we just chilled, you know, we had a great time. In short, we had a great time, and this was all planned by my family and friends. We all met after so long, and we are friends from like past 6 years. Like, we are friends from 8th standard, and now I'm in first year. Like, it has been freaking 6 years of friendship. And they all are so sweet, so sweet. And thank you so much, guys, for doing all of that for me. That really made my day so special. Thank you so much for doing that, and I love you all. Thank you so much. It was so unexpected. I thought that कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. My day is just gone. I'm not gonna, because मैंने इतना सब कुछ प्लान करके रखा था पहले से कि you know what, I'm gonna vlog this whole day. My friends are gonna come to my house and all of this stuff. एक महीना पहले से, but at the moment ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. But suddenly they gave me surprise, which was not like मैंने कहा हुआ surprise. They actually surprised me. But yeah, it was so special. So फिर उसके बाद हम लोग ने केक कट किया, and उसके बाद खाया पिया. We had a great time. We clicked photos, and you know, we were chilling, and it was fun actually. It was fun. I actually tried to vlog, but everyone, all of them came to my place for me, just for me, for celebrating this day. So you know, like, I didn't felt right to, you know, उनके सामने मैं कैमरा लेके खड़ी हो जाऊँ कि hey, listen, we are doing this, we are doing that. I thought like sitting with them, just chilling out, just having a conversation with them, that makes more sense than taking the camera and showing it to you guys. So I thought like it will be much more nice to, you know, do a story time. Actually बताते वक्त इतना ज़्यादा आपको लगे कि अरे यार what they did, like, you know, but for me it was really special. It was way more than what it was. So yeah, that was it. It was quite a memorable day. It was the most memorable day for me because obviously it was the big day for me. We completed 1 year on YouTube, and second thing is like I got surprise, which I love. My family made this day more beautiful. So my mom made some like snacks and all of that stuff for us. So thank you so much everyone, each and everyone, for doing this for me. So yeah, I will see you in the next video, which is probably gonna be like a traveling vlog. I don't know. See you in the next video. So bye bye.